How to disable and turn off Microsoft's recall feature starting with version 24H2, and also learn how to improve privacy and close security gaps. Click on the Windows Start button on your taskbar. Search for CMD, right-click on it and run it as administrator. Copy and paste the first command line from the video description and hit enter to check if recall is enabled. Copy and paste the second command line to disable recall and hit enter. Use the first command line again to check and ensure recall is disabled. If you want to re-enable the recall feature, you can just copy, paste and run the third command line in the video description. As a bonus, I give you a few more privacy settings you can change if you want to improve your privacy in Windows 11. Step 1. Turn off personalized ads and general settings. First, go to the settings, privacy, general and turn off all of them to stop apps from collecting your data. Step 2. Turn off activity history. Next, go to the activity history and uncheck let Windows collect my activities from this PC. This prevents Windows from tracking your activity. Step 3. Turn off location tracking and history. Now go to location settings, turn off location services and click clear under location history to prevent Windows from storing and tracking your location data. Step 4. Turn off inking and typing personalization. Go to inking and typing personalization and turn off this option to stop Microsoft from collecting data on your typing and handwriting for personalization. Step 5. Turn off sending optional diagnostic data. Go to diagnostic and feedback and turn off this option. Step 6. Disable online speech recognition. Go to speech settings under privacy and turn off online speech recognition. This stops Microsoft from collecting data on your voice commands. Thank you for watching and see you next time.